skateboarding and
all right, here we go on the Get Wet Aquatopia. It's a very warm day here at Tokyo DisneySEA, and they've started the Get Wet version. All right, so far not so wet, but we're kind of oh, there's some wetness over there. I see them getting, oh man, that is like a garden hose. Oh, okay. Let's see when we're gonna get wet. All righty, here we go. Get Wet Aquatopia. Whee! I like the spinning Aquatopia. Yes! We have gotten wet! Woo! Let me dry off the camera here. Whee! More spinning after getting wet. Okay. All right, where is the next place that we are going to get wet? What is going to happen to us next? Oh, spinning and wetness. This is awesome. I love Get Wet Aquatopia. Oh man, here's more Get Wet. Do you see that? Oh, we got wet. We got wet. Whee! Whee! More spinning. Oh God, I'm seeing some wetness coming up over here. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh yeah, I'm definitely seeing, oh my God, more spinning, more spinning, more spinning. Oh crap. Here comes the wet part. Oh man, I got a bad feeling about this. Oh, it's happening, this is happening. Oh, oh we got wet. I love it. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Oh, I just got waterfalled. Oh, good spin dry. Whee! Oh, man. Oh, are we done with wetness? Whee! Spinning, not wet. All right, here we go. Here we go. That was not too bad. Got a little bit wet. Let's see. What do you think? I think that's kind of an acceptable amount of wetness.